logo's done and the place where my emblem's going to be, I need to actually come up with an emblem that's going to go on the inside. To do my emblem on the inside, it can be as simple or as complicated as I want. I think I'm going to do a scalloped line going around. That seems pretty simple and generic, but it also has a good little almost homey feel, like, you want to eat soup that your grandma made, and maybe this could be like a grandma feel almost. I'm going to do the scallop edge on the outside also, because I think that will make it have some unity. And then I can come in and erase where my circle was. That gave me my hint of the sphere or the circular shape I'm going to make for my emblem. And because I'm trying to promote a soup, I decided that I'm going to make a bowl. Put it on a table and place a spoon in there and some steam. You can do whatever you want as your emblem as long as it's school appropriate. I hope that helped you come up with a few ideas. Ooh, let me add a little bit more. There we go. That makes it pop. All right.